Hi everyone, I'm international fitness celebrity Jennifer Nicole Lee, and ask yourself this question. Have you ever wanted that coveted Instagram model's body? You know, the girl that has the six-pack abs, the bubbled out booty, the sweeping glutes, and has all the likes and the views? Well, I'm here to tell you how. Why should you listen to me? Well, I've been a fitness model long before Instagram is even here. I started my career in 2003. I wrote the Fitness Model Diet Program, Fitness Model Diet Book, the Bikini Model Diet Program, and the Bikini Model Diet Book. Now, listen, whether you like Instagram models or not, one thing you can't argue is that they are sweeping the social media circuit. They've replaced fitness models. Now the Instagram model body can be yours at my jnlvip.com program. You see, I show you what to eat, what not to eat, give you support and coaching. And also, it's about getting your glow on, skincare, anti-aging, hair care, plus so much more. So what are you waiting for? The ball's in your court. I want you to come and get your Instagram model body today so you can take all those selfies and do all those poses that leave people saying, OMG, I want her body. Why just turn heads when you can break necks? $1 will get you your first 30 days with me, and it's only $24.99 every month after. No contract, no sneaky fees, and you will get results. I'll see you at jnlvip.com, or you can even go to instagrammodelbody.com, and I'll see you there. I believe in you. And done. It's a wrap. Thank you, audience. I love you.